So today I bring you an action camera comparison between two newly launched action cameras. So the GoPro Hero 10 versus the AKASO Brave 8. So we have a kind of David versus Goliath situation here. 499 versus 279. So these are the current flagship cameras from each company, and I just want to know how AKASO's new Brave 8 holds up against the GoPro Hero 10. Is it brave enough to win this comparison? Well, we shall certainly find out. And here is a quick side-by-side with the specs. So maximum resolution supported in the GoPro Hero 10 is 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and the AKASO Brave supports 4K at 60 FPS. You can take 23 megapixel super photos with HDR on the GoPro, and the AKASO Brave 8 gives you a choice between 48 and 12 megapixel photos. Now both cameras also have dual color displays, so a color touchscreen on the back and a small color screen on the front so you can frame your shot. They both support voice control, and they are both 10-meter water resistant. So brand new camera comparison early in the morning in my local park. GoPro Hero 10 versus AKASO Brave 8. These are the latest 2021 action cameras you can currently buy. And we are going to find out which one produces the best quality video. So different location today. I'm at a cricket ground and I haven't been here before. Not much happening. It's a dull day. So in this main park, Wardown Park, on Saturdays they run marathons. So just to avoid all of that, I've come to the cricket ground, which I don't usually come to shoot videos, but quite an awesome place. I wouldn't mind playing cricket here myself. So yeah, kind of cold day today. Cloudy. It looks like it's going to rain. And unfortunately, due to the bad weather, the video quality is probably not going to be the best on both, as action cameras do rely on good lighting in order to give you the best picture quality possible. Alright, I'm going to flip this around now. 4K at 60 frames per second. And I'm just going to walk around this area. Let's just go under here. Yep, nice. So we are shooting 4K at 60 frames per second on both cameras, and I'm wondering what the stabilization is going to be like. So we will do a jogging test in a bit, but as it stands, this is 4K at 60 frames per second. Let's just jump down 1, jump down 2, jump down 3, and let's keep going. So I've just switched to 1080p at 60 frames per second on both cameras. So let's see what 1080p looks like on these. I've only been shooting for about 10-15 minutes. Both cameras were at 100% battery. AKASO is now at 50%, and the GoPro Hero 10 is at 63%. So the battery does drain quite fast when you're shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, which I was doing earlier. Alright, time for a stabilization test. Switching back to 4K at 60 frames per second, and we're doing a quick stabilization test. So light jog. I'm holding the camera's freehand, so there's no gimbal, and I'll try and stay as steady as I possibly can, but you can expect some shake as I'm holding them in my hand without a gimbal. That's it, that's enough jogging for me. And action cameras are not really designed to be used in low light, but nevertheless, here is a quick low light comparison shooting 4K 60 on both. So that was my head-to-head comparison between the GoPro Hero 10 versus AKASO Brave 8. Video capture at 4K 60 looked pretty good on both. The GoPro has slightly better detailing and contrast along with better stabilization, but both cameras do produce pretty good looking 4K 60 video. The front displays on both are also very good and convenient for framing and vlogging. You're getting equally good microphones on both cameras. I was especially impressed with AKASO's mic because this is the best sounding microphone AKASO has ever made on an action camera. Not just that, this has to be the best 4K video we have ever seen from an AKASO camera. And not forgetting, I was shooting in a dull, cloudy day, which is not the best conditions for shooting with an action camera, but if possible I do hope AKASO can slightly improve the video stabilization via a firmware update. The GoPro did exceptionally well, but the AKASO was also not bad. It also did a decent capture in this situation. Now I do need to test the AKASO again in a bright sunny day to see what sort of video quality we can achieve. Now the GoPro Hero 10 is powered by the new GP2 chipset, and the AKASO Brave 8 is powered by the AMB H22 along with the Sony IMX586 image sensor, and the full specs are in the description box. So similar situation with the photos. The GoPro produced more vibrant colors and sharper looking shots, and AKASO's 48 megapixel shots were very good, but when we compare it to the Goliath, it just does not look on par. Now if we talk about value for money, then there is no doubt AKASO offers more value with a complete pack of accessories, complete with dual batteries and dual battery charger and lots more, compared to just the basic accessories that come with the GoPro Hero 10, but the GoPro this year also comes with a carry case. So bottom line, clearly everyone knew the outcome of this video before it started. The GoPro was destined to win. But before forking out nearly $500 on an action camera, I just wanted to show you a new alternative camera to the GoPro, which at under $300 will give you the same waterproof body protection, similar dual screen design which is ideal for vlogging, equally good microphones, and an easy to use UI and interface with very responsive touchscreen. I think it's safe to say that the AKASO Brave 8 certainly lives up to its name. For the price, it's an impressive action camera, and I can highly recommend it at this price point. If you want the absolute best action camera money can buy, of course go for the GoPro Hero 10, or save yourself over $200 and go for the AKASO, which offers value along with very decent video and photo quality. Do let me know in the comments which one you would go for and why. Links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.